The purpose of this video is to go through and provide a demonstration of the CLI Data Gem portfolio project that I was tasked with creating over the past few days for my Flatiron School courses. And for my project, I wanted to use an application that would display information regarding an industry that I've been in for a few years now, the hardwood flooring industry. I wanted it to display information regarding products, and I wanted it to display information regarding contact information. So in order to use this project, once you have loaded the flooring gem file, you want to go down to your terminal and you want to enter in this, which is Craftsman Floors. Push enter. And once we do that, so we expand the terminal down here, it will give you a welcome message, and it will display the 12 different locations where we have a store located. Once it does that, it'll present the user with a prompt that says, press 1 to view store inventory, press 2 to view contact information for a certain store, or enter exit or quit to leave the program. So for the sake of this demonstration, we're going to just go in order. We're going to view a store's inventory. Let's go up here. Let's select, let's say Tulsa. Let's do a double-digit number to begin with. So we're going to view Tulsa, Oklahoma's inventory. You enter a number, push enter, and it will immediately display a list of the products carried at that said location. Location is actually included in the string right here. It'll say below is an inventory count for our location store, this being Tulsa. And it will display the name of the product here on the left, as well as the quantity of that product in stock, finally the price of that product per square foot on the end. And it will display 30 products. The numbers right here are randomly generated. This information is actually not being scraped. If we're going to look at scraped information, we're going to begin right here. All these city names are being scraped from an external website, as well as the name and the price of the product right here. Those are being scraped from a second website as well. So 2 websites are being scraped in this process. Once the user has gone through and they've seen everything they've wanted to see for inventory, they can either push any key to return to the main menu we were just at, or they can type in exit or quit to close the program. So we're going to go back to our main menu, view our second option, which is store contact information. We put in 2, and again, it'll bring up a similar prompt as it did with our inventory selection. Since I'm based in Houston, Texas, let's go ahead and view the Houston store's contact info. We put in 5 for Houston, and that will bring up an address right here, as well as a main phone number for that store. And once we've viewed that information, if we want to go back, view a different store's information, again, press any key, or enter exit or quit to close this program. And if I push any key, this time I've been pushing return, it'll bring me back to my main menu. If I want to leave my program, simply type in exit, closes my program out. And to sort of demonstrate again, if a user has gone into a certain setting, let's say they wanted to view a store's inventory, say this time they wanted to view the Denver store's inventory. So we're going to enter a 4 for Denver. Again, it'll bring up a list of products. It'll present a new set of quantities right here. I decided to not randomize the price. I wanted to pull the price from the website as well, just because for certain stores that do have multiple locations, well, there might be some variation in price. For the most part, products that are carried nationwide can carry a similar price regardless of location, so I decided to leave that on there unchanged. But as you can see, different location has a different stock on each product, so that's informative for the user. It allows them to just to see if they were in that area, to see if a certain product they were looking for, say they wanted hickory hand scraped engineered golden, they could see, oh, there's 1432 square feet. My project is 830 square feet. I have more than enough here at the store. I want to buy that because that's a good price right there. They could do that. So, I mean, essentially, that's the end of the application for the user right there. That its use is done. So if they wanted to leave from this point, let's just say quit this time. They say quit. It'll present this farewell message again, and it will close the program. And I could run it again. I might just run it again for the sake of showing off a different city, just to add a little variety to the program that I'm running right now. So let's say we want to do, let's say Dallas this time, Dallas, Texas, 3. And it presents its information right here. And say they want to leave from this point, they can just say exit, and the program is closed.